Good morning, sir. I am David Olarde. I will discuss about of MIL, Media and Information Literacy, refer to the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and share information and media content across various and format. It comprises a set of competencies that enable individuals to engage critically and responsibly with important information and media, both online and offline. Email is crucial for navigating the complex information landscape, information, decision making, and promotion responsible citizenship. Why important of MIL? Information decision making. MIL equip individuals with the skills to make well information decision in various aspects of their lives. Active citizenship and empowers individuals to participate in democratic process, voice their opinions, and engage with society and meaningful way, combating misinformation and disinformation. MIL help individuals identify critical assist for false or misleading information, reducing its spread and impact, protection from harm by understanding potential risk society with and information individuals can protect themselves from online scam, cyberbullying, and other harmful content. Society and cultural understanding. MIL foster cultural awareness and understanding by promotion critical engagements with diverse media and information. Lifelong learning. MIL is crucial skills for lifelong learning, enabling individuals to adapt the ever-changing information landscape.